Max Case Study Report Application of Partial Differential Equations submitted by Mohan Shiva Menta Venkataram Moses. Introduction The partial differential equations under study which illustrate the flow of water under gravity through a homogeneous irrespective of progress media is started as dou by dou t equal to dou of un plus dou x plus dou square of un by dou x square. Equation was reduced to solve for through a change of variables to become a ordinary differential equations represented below, which is where our lecture began. The ODE was solved by the hand to arrive at excited solution. The purpose of this reacts to analyze the exact solution, which adjusting the speed of the traveling wave and the intervals of time variable over which it changes. Literacy survey. Partial differential equations in applied mathematics provides a platform for the rapid circulation of original researchers in applied mathematics and applied sciences by utilizing partial differential equations and related techniques contributed on analytic and numerical approaches are both encouraged. Smooth solidation are particular welcome. Partial differential equations and applications offers a single platform of all PDE-based research, broadening the area of mathematical analysis. Problem analysis. A partial differential equation is a mathematical equation that involves two or more independent variables and an unknown function, and the partial derivatives of the unknown functions with respect to the independent variables. The order of a partial differential equations is the order of highest derivative involved. Proposed solution. The particular there should relay become some mention of green functions and at least a vague summary of the story of boundary value problems, especially the Dirichlet's problem. For what I can in mind, also the dry technical flavor of chapter 1. For instance, Moshe's result on volume from a user's only simple Hodge theory. But my time deadline has come. I hope these notes are useful to someone speaking a rapid introduction with a minimum of background. Methodology. Appropriate boundary conditions. One can also eliminate most of the convolutions in thinking about money flows by restricting. Hmm. And one is considering only double period functions, say with period 2 pi even similarly, yet still often our notifications travel is due to one-dimensional case of functions and the circular resources and techniques. All three solutions were carefully plotted in MATLAB and were graphed as time increases from 0 to 1500 seconds. They each display an accurate representation of how their wave-like solutions behave and potentially provide important information on water flow behavior. The result of solutions of absolute convergence and that fast time increases, the amplitude of the wave also increases. Plot of the expression. The result of solutions of absolute convergence and as time increases, the amplitude of this wave also increases. Problem statement and solution. The problem of this research project is to solve the particular differential equations which models the flow of water under gravity through a homogeneous irrespective porous medium and to observe the physical changes of the traveling wave solution. When the speed of the wave and time is increased, incrementally. One of the reasons that this solution is the only one out of the four solutions that is valid for real applications is given below. Will the other three solutions contain discontinuous validation, compliance with societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues not applicable, compatibility with environment and sustainability not applicable, comply the professional ethics conclusion. For this work and based on the convergence in all three of the graphs, we infer as the speed of the tangent hyperbolic was like a solution increases, the greater the amplitude becomes. From this research, we hypothesized that in the real world problem reference, exact solution of a near-line diffusion conversion equation is script. The chloride apparatus from water for food, a master of survival. Herman, the Trent method, a exact solution of nonlinear evolution and wave equation. Apply partial differential equations, Boolean MA.